Hey guys, here's the first box Ultimate Collection for Bay Box Breakers. This is box number 1 out of the case of 15. Thanks again for your bids. Box number on this one is 92625221. Sorry. There you go. Time of night, 10/29, March 23rd. So if you want to follow this case, I'm going to most likely have them every night. And if it's not going to be the following night, I'll let you know on the video so you can stay up with it. So thanks again for your bids and your quick payment. Without further ado, I've been looking forward to opening this since I got the case yesterday. Just to have a peek, see what this has. So this is a new product for me, so I might not be familiar with all the cards that come out of it. So bear with me, or even how to get into it. Well, it's just the one pack. I believe there's 5 cards. Oh yeah, there it is. Empty box. So good luck, guys. Well, great play right off the hop. We're going to start things out. Cam Neely for the Boston Bruins. This is number 15 of 399. Cam Neely. Nice hit for Boston. Oh, I almost choked when I saw the next card. We got ourselves an Ultimate Rookies. Colby Cohen, 232 of 399. Colby Cohen. He's for Boston. Thought it was Colorado, but it does say Boston on the back. Colby Cohen. Ultimate Rookies for the Boston Bruins. So that's 2 hits in a row for the Bostons. I'm going to save this one for a little bit later. Very nice here. We got Ultimate Signatures for the LA Kings. Drew Doughty. LA Kings, Drew Doughty. On-card signature. Very nice. And I hope you guys are sitting down for this next one. I know I need to be. This is number 22 of 25. The player just returned to the game for the 2nd time this season. Premier Swatches Authentic Patch, number 87, the Pittsburgh Penguins, Sid the Kid Crosby. Look at that. That's a huge hit. I thought there was 5 cards. I guess we're only getting 4 because we got this big jumbo patch. But there you have it. I'll do a quick recap. I know whoever's got Pittsburgh's pretty excited right now. So we got the 2 hits for Boston. We got the Colby Cohen. I guess he must have got traded shortly after he was drafted, because it is for Boston. We got the Cam Neely. This is number 15 of 399. Again for Boston. Drew Doughty, on-card auto, very nice hit. Ultimate Signatures. And then I'll have to show you this Crosby card again. This might be the next upload on the iPod there. There you have it, Sidney Crosby. Super looking patch. 1, 2, 3 color patch. Okay, so like I said, tomorrow the boxes go starting at 7:30 Eastern time. So if you want to join me again, I'd love to have you. Thanks again for all your bids and your quick payment. I will get the videos out to you as soon as I can. Thanks again. Have yourselves a good night.